So I'm here right now at Streetscape in Maria Luisa Road, and I'm gonna try out this new Mexican place called Greedy Gonzales. Now I'm just still full, but since I bothered to ask them, I mean, well, I'm gonna order one taco, their barbacoa taco, which is made of a brisket slow cooked for 6 hours, so that's promising. So it's only $100 a piece, but you can also order it 3 up to 60. So let's see how it fares. So they give me this crispy thing, is called Totopos, and yes, I'm gonna put it, dip it in the tomato sauce. Man, this is good. Why not let's put some hot sauce. Let's put some hot sauce. Ooh, not too much. Not bad. Really good. I like this. Pyramid tacos, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to eat this. So I have chicken, I have the barbacoa as well. So this is the beef, the barbacoa. It's so fragrant, so good. And I like the sauce, it's not too overpowering. This is spicy but not overpowering. This is really perfect for this taco.
Hi, I'm Menchu, one of the owners of Greedy Gonzales. I would like to invite everybody in Tiga Cebu to come and join us. Naami sa Streetscapes, second floor near Maria Luisa. I would recommend for the first timers 3 dishes. I would say the chicken taco, definitely the nacho supreme, and the chorizo burrito bowl. See you!